Hey everyone, welcome back to Vanteo. Today we've got something truly special lined up for you. The 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2. This vehicle is not your average truck, SUV, or van. It's a futuristic blend of performance, luxury, and rugged design all rolled into one unstoppable machine. Rams has taken things to a whole new level with the RMX2, pushing the limits of what a high-performance, off-road capable, tech-filled vehicle can be. So, let's dive right in and break down what makes the 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2 such a showstopper. Starting with the design, the 2026 RMX2 looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's bold, muscular, and aggressive, but at the same time sleek and modern. Rams didn't hold back when it came to making a statement. The front end is dominated by a massive illuminated Ram badge and a newly designed grille with active shutters that adjust for better aerodynamics. The headlights are razor-sharp LED units with adaptive matrix technology, giving the RMX2 an unmistakable presence at night. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic fenders flow perfectly into a wide stance, giving it that tough yet refined look. The body sits on a reinforced aluminum and high-strength steel frame, which makes it both durable and surprisingly lightweight. The massive 22-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires, hint at the off-road capability hidden underneath. The rear features a futuristic light bar that stretches across the tailgate with sequential indicators, giving it a high-tech finish. You'll also notice the smart tailgate system that can open and close hands-free, plus a multifunction cargo bed that can adapt to whatever task you throw at it, from hauling gear to transforming into a mobile workstation. Under the hood, the performance of the 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2 is nothing short of impressive. Rams offers two powertrain options: a 3.0-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6 and a full electric version with dual motors. The hybrid version pumps out an astonishing 550 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque, while the electric variant produces over 800 horsepower with instant torque delivery. That means 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, which is wild for a vehicle of this size. The electric RMX2 also boasts an estimated range of around 420 miles on a single charge, supported by fast charging technology that can top up 80% of the battery in just 25 minutes. The RMX2's performance doesn't stop at speed. It's also designed for serious off-road adventures. The advanced adaptive suspension system can automatically raise or lower the vehicle depending on terrain. There's also an intelligent four-wheel drive system with multiple drive modes, from sand and snow to mud and rock crawl, making it adaptable for every environment. Combine that with underbody protection plates, locking differentials, and an advanced traction control system, and you've got a machine that can conquer almost anything in its path. Step inside the 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines comfort and luxury. The cabin is a blend of premium materials, futuristic technology, and practical design. Soft-touch leather surfaces, brushed aluminum trims, and customizable ambient lighting create an upscale, relaxing atmosphere. The massive 15-inch floating touchscreen takes center stage, controlling everything from navigation to climate and entertainment. There's also a fully digital 12-inch driver display that's crisp and customizable, giving you all the info you need right where you want it. One of the coolest features inside is the advanced AI co-pilot system. It learns your driving habits, routes, and preferences to give you real-time suggestions for everything, whether it's adjusting suspension settings, changing drive modes, or even recommending nearby charging stations. The RMX2 also supports full over-the-air updates, meaning it'll get smarter and better over time. Passengers in the back aren't left out either. They get reclining seats, their own touchscreens, and even built-in wireless charging pads. The panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel airy and open, while active noise cancellation ensures a quiet ride, even at highway speeds. You'll also find climate-controlled seats, a 23-speaker premium audio system by Harman Kardon, and a digital sense system that lets you customize the cabin's aroma. Now, when it comes to unique features, the 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2 really stands out. It's equipped with something Rams calls the Mobile Command Suite. This turns the vehicle into a fully functional workspace. You can deploy a fold-out desk, activate Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and even project your screen using the built-in holographic display. It's perfect for those who need to work on the go. There's also a PowerShare feature that lets the RMX2 act as a mobile power source, meaning it can power tools, camping equipment, or even another EV if needed. Another remarkable feature is the 360-degree drone companion system. It's an autonomous drone that launches from the roof, providing aerial views for off-road navigation, filming, or even security monitoring. And if you're camping, it can follow you automatically to provide lighting or capture your outdoor moments. Safety is top tier, too, with level 3 autonomous driving capability, adaptive cruise, lane centering, and night vision cameras ensuring you're protected at all times. In short, the 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2 is a bold statement from Rams, blending power, innovation, and intelligence into one incredible package. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who just appreciates cutting-edge design, this machine delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Rams Mobile RMX2, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Vanteo for more automotive reviews, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Until next.